At Ambitious Academy, we are proud to announce that we now offer online courses. These courses are ideal for those not able to attend our academy due to time constraints or location. How to get started? Let's make an account first. Open your web browser and in your URL location, type ambitious.academy. This will load our website. Click on the Get Started button far right under the Register tab. Fill in your details and click Register as student. You will receive a confirmation email with an activation link. Follow that link and your account will be ready to go. Please note, if you did not receive a confirmation email, make sure you use the correct email address, then look in your spam or junk folder. If you are using Gmail, it might also be sent to your Promotions, Social, or Updates tab. After your account has been activated, you will be able to log in. To do this, simply head to the Get Started page and use the Login tab. Enter your username or email and your password. Then click Login. This should log you in and give you access to your student dashboard. Next, we'll look at resetting your password. On the Reset Login tab, enter the email associated with your account, then click Reset. A reset password email will be sent to you. Follow the link and set a new password. How does the payment system work? These courses will work with a credit system. We have two different credit types: training credits and exam credits. The training credits will be used to purchase official courses, where the exam credits will be used to acquire relevant certification exams of completed courses. Where to buy credits? Head to buythis.co.za. Under the categories on the left, select Training Course Vouchers. Then select the desired gift card and follow the normal purchase procedure. How to redeem a gift card? On Ambitious Academy's website, you will see a tab called Redeem Gift Card Voucher. Click on it to navigate to the web page. Then on the Redeem Gift Card option, paste your gift card number. Click on the Redeem Gift Card Voucher. You should see your balance update on the left and top right corner. Now you can go to the desired courses and exams to acquire them. Where to find the online courses? Visit the Ambitious Academy website, then head to the Courses and Training menu and select Online Courses. Browse through the available courses and select the one you are interested in. How to use the courses? Once you are ready to start the course, click the Start Course button. This will open the course and you will be met with a few different sections. The active lesson content will be displayed on this large panel. To the right of that, we have course content. This will be where you navigate through all the sections and lessons the course has to offer. How this structure works is from the top to bottom. You will select a lesson, and once you have finished it, then mark it as complete by clicking on its checkbox. Above the course content, you will see your course progress, as a lesson is marked as completed. This progress will change. It is important to note that before you are able to enroll in a course certification exam, the relevant course in regards to that certification needs to be marked as 100% completed. Then moving on. To the bottom of the page, you will see the Q&A and the Announcements tab. These will be very useful when you need course content related questions answered, or when we have announcements for the students. How to get certified? Once you have completed a course, the official course certification tests will become available. These certifications can be found under the Exams and Certification page. These exams can be acquired with exam credits as mentioned before. Upon completion of the certification exam, which could consist of a theoretical and practical test, your submissions will be assessed by an instructor. This process could take from 3 to 10 working days. So please be patient as we will send you your results once finished with assessments. We have many more courses in development, so sign up to our newsletter and be the first to know when new courses are available. Come and join our online journey at Ambitious Academy, where real-world skills matter.